For our credit report tip of the day, when the cost of borrowing climbs and lenders start tightening the gate, small business owners feel it deep in their gut. You're running the numbers late at night. You're weighing decisions carefully. You're thinking about payroll, inventory, expansion, and every dream you're building towards. Rising interest rates don't just shift the financial landscape. Tightening of credit access tests your confidence, your planning, and your resilience. You may not control interest rates or lender policies, but you control how you show up, how you prepare, how you manage your business. Tough markets reveal strong leaders. When you tighten your systems and strengthen your financial story, you don't just survive tighter credit, you rise above it. And when the market shifts again, you'll be ready.